Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well and enjoying your online classes also. Welcome to your online class and this is your general knowledge subject. Today in this video, I'll cover two topics from your book. First one is crime fiction and another one is sporty mix. So go through the explanation part very well. Let's start with our first topic, crime fiction. Read the question first. Here is a table of information on some of the famous crime fiction works, their authors and their main characters. Complete the table by filling the missing information using the help box. So as you can see here, that three columns are given here. First one is of works, second one is of author, and last third one is of main character. You have to fill the missing information. Clear? You can take help from the help box also. So let's start. First one is The Hound of the Baskervilles. It is the third of the four crime novels written by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Author name is Arthur Conan Doyle. It tells the story of an attempted murder inspired by the legend of a fearsome, diabolical hound of supernatural origin. Sherlock Holmes and his companion Dr. Watson investigate the case. This was the first appearance of Holmes since his apparent death in The Final Problem, and the success of The Hound of the Baskervilles led to the character's eventual revival. So the main character name is Sherlock Holmes. Next, Murder on the Orient Express. It is a detective novel by English writer Agatha Christie. Author name is Agatha Christie. Featuring the Belgian detective Hercule Poirot. It was first published in the United Kingdom by the Collins Crime Club on 1st January 1934, and in United States it was published on 28th February 1934. Now next, From Russia with Love. It is the fifth novel by the English author Ian Fleming. Author name is Ian Fleming. To feature his fictional British Secret Service agent James Bond. The name of the main character is James Bond. Fleming wrote the story in early 1956 at his Goldeneye estate in Jamaica. At the time, he thought it might be his final Bond book. The novel was first published in the United Kingdom by Jonathan Cape on 8th April 1957. Next, Feluda series. In Feluda series, there are 35 published and 4 unpublished stories. Feluda or Pradosh Chandra Mitra, who is the main character of the story, is a fictional Bengali private investigator starring in a series of Bengali novels of Indian fictional detective novels and short stories written by Indian Bengali film director and writer Satyajit Ray. Clear? Now next, Satyanveshi. It is a detective story written by Sharadendu Bandyopadhyay. Author name is Sharadendu Bandyopadhyay, featuring the Bengali detective Byomkesh Bakshi, who is the main character of the book. Clear? Story. Byomkesh Bakshi and his friend, assistant and narrator Ajit Bandyopadhyay. Clear? Next one is The Lost Symbol. This novel was written by American writer Dan Brown. So the author name is Dan Brown. It is a thriller set in Washington, D.C. after the events of the Da Vinci Code. It is the third Brown novel to involve the character of Harvard University symbologist Robert Langdon. Clear? So the name of the main character is Robert Langdon. Now the last one, The Innocence of Father Brown. Father Brown is a fictional Roman Catholic priest detective who is featured in 53 short stories published between 1910 and 1936, written by English novelist G.K. Chesterton. Okay, so the author name is G.K. Chesterton. Father Brown solves mysteries and crimes using his intuition and keen understanding of human nature. Clear? So here we have covered our first topic, crime fiction. Now let's move towards our next topic, sporty mix. Read the question first. Select the correct options to answer these questions. Some questions are given here and 3 options are also given. You have to choose the correct option. First question is, who among these has won the highest number of gold medals at a single Olympic Games in the history of Olympics? And the 3 options are John Fraser, Usain Bolt and Michael Phelps. And the correct option is Michael Phelps. He is an American former competitive swimmer and the most successful and most decorated Olympian of all time with a total of 28 medals. Clear? Second, who among these was the first to win 5 straight Wimbledon tennis titles? And the answer is, and the options are Roger Federer, Bjorn Borg and last option is Rafael Nadal. Okay, and the correct option is Bjorn Borg. He is a former world #1 tennis player. Between 1974 and 1981, he became the first man in the Open era to win 11 Grand Slam single titles, although he was never able to win US Open in 4 final appearances. He is the first male player to win 5 Wimbledon titles in the Open era. Now see the question number 3. Who was the first Indian athlete to win a medal at the World Athletics Tournament? And the options are P.T. Usha, Shiny Abraham and Anju Bobby George. And the correct option is Anju Bobby George. She is a retired Indian athlete. She is India's first and only world champion in athletics, IAAF World Athletics Final. She made history when she won the bronze medal in long jump at the 2003 World Championships in athletics in Paris. Clear? Now next question. In 2000, in which Olympics event were women allowed to compete for the first time? Options are wrestling, pole vault and shooting. And the correct option is pole vault. Pole vault is a track and field event in which a person uses a long flexible pole as an aid to jump over a bar. It has been a full medal event at the Olympic Games since 1896 for men and since 2000 for women. Okay. Now next, question number 5. Who was the first Indian badminton player to win the All England Open Badminton Championships? And the options are Saina Nehwal, Pullela Gopichand and Prakash Padukone. And the correct option is Prakash Padukone. He is a former Indian badminton player. He was ranked world #1 in 1980. The same year, he became the first Indian to win All England Open Badminton Championships. He was awarded with Arjuna Award in 1972 and the Padma Shri in 1982 by the Government of India. Now look at the question number 6. Who is the only Indian tennis player to win Wimbledon titles in 3 different decades? Options are Leander Paes, Mahesh Bhupati and Vijay Amritraj. And the correct option is Leander Paes. He is an Indian professional tennis player who is considered as one of the greatest player with the record of most doubles wins in the Davis Cup. He has won 8 doubles and 10 mixed doubles Grand Slam titles. Okay. Now the last question. Who became the 2016 Formula 1 World Champion? And the options are Nico Rosberg, Lewis Hamilton, and the last option is Sebastian Vettel. And the correct option is Nico Rosberg. He is a German-Finnish former racing driver who won the 2016 Formula 1 World Championship driving for Mercedes-AMG Petronas Motorsport. Okay, so here we have covered 2 topics, crime fiction and sporty mix. Now I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay tuned and stay healthy.